Hello, hello, hello. What's up, fellas? What's up, ladies? What's going on, beautiful people of the United States of America and around the world, baby? We are here again today, live, people. Doing another just Bitcoin Cali crypto call. Just Bitcoin analysis, guys. I'm just going to show you pretty much what I've been looking at, what a lot of you guys been looking at if you guys have been watching Bitcoin. Okay, so I just want to first to say that I'm happy you guys are watching. I want to thank you guys so much for helping me grow my channel and helping, not even just helping me, but other people spreading the news about Bitcoin as well. I know some of you guys that follow me on social media too, you know, have been actively also just excited as I am about the price of Bitcoin rising and all the things and all the benefits that come with that. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you pretty much um, the technical analysis, obviously, of where price is going with Bitcoin. So as you can see right now, we have Bitcoin right here, close to $28,000. I've been saying that it's going to keep going up. Price structure right now, it's looking like obviously it's going to keep going. Okay, a lot of people are getting scared. I've been I'm a part of some sophisticated group chats where people are getting scared every time they see price retrace and go down. Um, People got scared near Thanksgiving. Okay, so I'm going to show you on the chart over here, which is kind of ridiculous. I've been telling you guys, don't get scared, don't get scared. This is pretty much what the market does. So let me show you guys here. So we see here Thanksgiving, right? I'm looking at the daily chart right now. So we see here Thanksgiving, price is rising, 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 and then we see this drop here. Obviously, this doesn't look too big on the daily chart because this is the daily chart. So each one of these candlesticks represents represents a day. Okay, so I just pulled it back just so you can see it. But if we were looking at the hourly or the 4 hour chart, this would be looking a lot like a bigger sell off. Over here, people thought, hey, you know, is this the end all be all with Bitcoin in all time highs? 19,000, close to 20,000, right? Near even Thanksgiving. Okay. Then we did the sell off back down to 16,000. People were like, you know what? Um, Bitcoin's falling, Bitcoin's falling, Bitcoin's falling. I don't think it's going to keep rising. A lot of people were panic selling. Um, and obviously I was laughing. I mean, some of you guys were laughing too, because there's no way that it can make all that move, obviously trying to break all time highs, and then that's it. It does look like it may have looked like that, but I knew that there was no way it was going to be done. Right? There's still growth to be, um, there's still growth to be seen here. So you see price, it drops here, and then obviously it picks back up the next few days. So after Thanksgiving, we see the 30th picks back up to 20,000. We see this slight drop here, this slight retracement. Within the next week or so, price is a little bit stagnant, doesn't really pass 20,000 for like I would say for the next week or so. And then we see the 12th or the 11th, price makes a move. Price makes a huge impulse move over here. 11th through the week of the 11th through you know 11th through the 19th, we see price increase from, we could say, from 17,000, make a retracement all the way to 24,000. Okay, so many of you guys obviously thought, December 19th. Okay, this was a couple weeks ago. Bitcoin established its all-time highs. A lot of you guys were like, man, this must be this must be actually this must be the end all be all. This must be the last price Bitcoin is going to hit at, right? And again, I made a video about this too. Um, that I think that same week where I made a video, I explained to you guys that I used the same chart. I'm using the same chart I used in the last few videos that I've made. I said that there's no way that price is going to fall here. It's only at 24,000. There's no way it can just stop here. It needs to keep going. And as it did, okay, price retraced a little bit. That's what the market does, guys. It corrects itself. Lots of people get scared. Lots of traders that I see on the internet, lots of people when they're trading maybe Bitcoin or they're trying to trade a certain crypto or not even just Bitcoin, but other assets on the market. Yes, there's an element of there's an element of technicality to it, but when we're getting into the the fundamentals, guys, there's no way price is just gonna sell off at 24,000. I knew that to myself. I was like, oh, there's no way it can sell off to 24,000. And yet again, even last week, this past couple of days, price has been on the up and up. Okay, it's been up. Okay, price has been all the way since you know you can say December 12th, if you got in even at 18,000, close to 19,000, risen all the way up to 28,000, guys. And that's why I even told you guys too. I came out with a podcast. A lot of you guys listen to it too. Uh, you know, I said that, don't be scared. Even prices at 24,000 now, guys, don't be scared. Get in. I would say get in now. Hopefully you guys did listen to that. Say if you bought a Bitcoin at 24,000, around the 20th, which was literally 10 days ago, not too long ago, um, you would have made definitely four or $5,000 easily. And that's in the span of 10 days, guys. That is a major um, that is major moves right there, right? And say if you even got at Thanksgiving close to around 16,000, you definitely made over $10,000. Okay, and those are major moves. Those are major percentages, guys. And what I mean that is all you got to do is buy and hold a Bitcoin, and the main thing too, guys, is don't think you have to buy a full Bitcoin. You can buy parts of a Bitcoin, right? You can just keep your money in Bitcoin and wait for the price to keep going higher and higher and higher. That's all you have to do. Again, I'm not giving any financial advice, but when we're talking about you don't even know, you don't have to know anything about trading. You don't have to know anything about that. All you got to do is literally buy and hold. And obviously those gains will increase, okay? And to be honest, right now as we speak, December 30th, a couple days away from the new year, I really highly highly recommend um, that you get in. Even the price right now is close to 28,000, $27,954 as we speak right now. I would say get in, okay? Because price is not, I believe price is going to keep going higher and higher and higher, okay? Yes, along the way, there will be corrections along the way before it hits, obviously, 30, 40, 50,000, but it's going to hit 30, 40, 50,000, guys. It's going to hit that price. So don't think that, oh, price is done. Price action of Bitcoin is done. 28,400 is the highest There's no way, guys. All-time highs in 2017 was close to 20,000. So what? We're the next all-time high is just going to be $8,000 more? No, give me at least two times that. It's going to be at least $40,000. Per coin. Lots of experts are saying that they're speculating that um, you know Bitcoin could be 50, 100, $500,000, $400,000 per coin, a quarter million per coin, guys. And those big high five, six, those big high six-figure numbers, high five, high six-figure numbers, I believe they'll happen probably later into 2021, not immediately, not even in January, but those prices that people are speculating, I believe will happen later in 2021. Most likely, probably spring, summer, or even fall 2021. Where we'll see price of Bitcoin. If it keeps going the way that it's going to hit 80, 100,000, a quarter million dollars per coin. So that's why I would say right now, imagine if you just heed what I'm telling you, and do your own due diligence and just buy a coin and just hold it at 28,000. Okay. Probably in the next 30 days. I wouldn't say probably, I would say most definitely, in my opinion, that, the Bitcoin price is definitely going to be at least $35,000, $40,000. It's going to make that easily. The reason why I say at least is because obviously Bitcoin has been, it rises in value. It's a volatile asset. It's going to keep pumping up in price. Okay. It's going to keep going. Right. And obviously, the higher and higher it goes, the more expensive it is going to be to get in. So that's why I say I've been telling you guys to get in for the past, 2 years now. But now I'm telling you guys to get in, even the price seems high like right now. Trust me, when the price is like at 40,000, guys, 50,000, guys, you're going to be thanking me because, you know, your coin's going to be worth so much more, obviously, from that time. But, you know, your interest is just going to peak. It's just going to skyrocket. So I would say definitely take the time, do research, try to get in as early as you can. You know what I mean? So this is pretty much what I'm seeing for price action of Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin, the number one cryptocurrency right now. And I've been talking about the altcoins too, such as Litecoin as well. Litecoin is growing up in value, guys. I highly, highly believe that Litecoin will be um, Litecoin, um, Litecoin will be definitely past 130, 135, 100, $140. Okay. It's hitting, it already passed $130, guys. It pretty much hit 139, $140, and this was a couple days ago. This was literally the 27th. Okay. And it's going to keep going higher and higher. Now, if we look at kind of like the whole Litecoin chart, guys, let me just zoom out of this. This is the price of Litecoin of all time, right? So ever since, back in 2016 when it was, literally pennies on the dollar. Imagine if you got Litecoin at 2016 for like $3 right now. You would have got it. Have it right now for at least 140 or close to that, 125. But anyways, this is the all-time high of Litecoin, 420, right? $420 roughly. Okay. And so it's going to keep breaking structure, guys. It's going to keep breaking structure. Now, um, you know, honestly, this this skyrocket here, when you see a huge skyrocket like this, that is a huge candle when you're talking about just that is a huge liquid, um, buying candle when price is just pumping up and up and up and up and up and up. There's a lot of buying pressure there. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of selling pressure in between. Okay. So I believe price is going to be doing pretty much a similar thing, maybe come back down a little bit, and then obviously it's going to go up even more. So Litecoin is going to even pass its all-time highs, breaking all-time highs very, very soon. And if you look at my last video, guys, I tell you guys why as well. Okay. Um, First of all, the kind of the exact dates of when Litecoin hits its all-time highs and Bitcoin hits its all-time highs is it's different. They're not the same exact day, but it did follow Bitcoin. So Bitcoin went up, Ethereum, and then Litecoin went up, right? So you have to be patient. That's why I say, guys, if you're getting into altcoins, get in now. This is probably one of the best options for you. Okay. So that's pretty much what it is. All right, so that's pretty much what I have to say about price action of Bitcoin and other altcoins as well. I know price is going to keep going up, but the main thing I want you guys to keep in mind is don't be scared and don't be intimidated of the of the sell-offs, okay, of the retracement levels where you see something like this happen, right? Even for like maybe a day or two. And then you're like, man, maybe it's done. You know, maybe, the price of it going up is done because it's not. That's just what the market goes up and down, obviously. But overall, we are definitely on an uptrend. There's multiple indicators, there's multiple confluences that we can see technically that this is no stopping Bitcoin right now. It's just going to the moon. It's going to keep going. And, you know, it's going to just keep going up, guys. I don't see price of Bitcoin going down anytime soon. Um, Anytime soon, guys. Okay. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Peace out.